the giver of all gifts. Pero alam niyo ba, mga bata, sino magse-celebrate ng birthday? Paninig, sino magse-celebrate ng birthday? Mahina eh. Sino magse-celebrate ng birthday?
Pwede umalista.
O diba, pagka sinong may birthday siya binibigyan ng gift. Hindi tayo nangihingi, di ba? But this time, we know that he's celebrating his birthday and we are also joining in celebrating the coming of our Savior. And it is appropriate for us to give gifts unto the celebrant. So, ang alam ko dun sa production meeting namin, meron akong co-host. Patingin nga ng cue card ko. Please lang. Sandali lang ha. Para may kulang eh. Ayun. Ito pala eh. Asan to si Mimel? Nasaan ka? Mimel?
Sandali lang po, sir!
Everybody welcome my co-host, Mimel. Pati sila, bitilang palakpakan. Teka, anong problem? Hindi naman Santa Claus ang gimmick mo ngayon. Ano ba itong dala mo?
Eh, sir, di naman gift bag to ni Santa eh. Mga relief goods yan.
Relief goods? Ba't kailangan mo ng relief goods? Eh, Mr. Chips to eh. Ba't kailangan mo ng relief goods?
Eh, sir, di ba ang title na ng show natin ngayon ay Christmas Calamity?
Correct, Christmas Calamity.
Kaya nga po, sir. Kaya magkaubusan man ng pagkain, meron pa rin ako.
Pagkain pa rin yun. Teka, hindi naman tungkol sa dilubyo, hindi naman tungkol sa landslide, sa earthquake, sa bagyo. Hindi naman patungkol doon yung Christmas calamity natin ngayon. It is a story about God telling His people that He is a very present help in times of trouble.
Oh, sir. At saka, sir, kailangan natin pray palagi at have faith in Him.
Okay, pwede tayo natin yun. May calamity o wala. Pero, teka, saan mo pa kinuha itong mga to? Noodles. Saan mo kinuha to?
Eh, sir, dun sa computer room.
Sa computer room?
Opo, sir.
Lagot ka, balik mo agad yan, lagot ka sa principal.
Bakit, sir?
Eh, yan yung mga relief goods para doon sa typhoon victims ng Albay. Balik mo yan. Okay, pagpagkain talaga to si Mimel eh, maaasahan. Pero, anyway, I would like to inform everyone that part of the proceeds of this show will be donated to the typhoon victims in Albay. Okay? We think that the school has an obligation not only to academics, okay, sa ating mga bata, but also to inculcate to them the virtue of charity, benevolence, and humanitarianism. Okay? And that's why we are doing some shows like this.
Sir, I'm back!
Oh! May sandwich ka na agad!
Eh, sir, nakakapagod yun, sir. Layo pa lang dinanin ko eh. Eh, ikot pa ako, sir eh. Nagutom ka agad ako.
Sinutom ka agad doon. Tingnan nga dito. Pero ang email, may isang maganda akong feeling pag ikaw ang kasama ko.
Ano po yun?
Feeling ko isa akong superhero.
Sino naman po superhero?
Feeling ko ako si Captain Barbell. Ikaw si Bobby.
Sir, may tanong naman po sir.
Okay.
Di ba sir, noong year 2000, sinimula na itong show na ito na Christmas Calamity?
Correct. Kaya lang, this time, kasi nung 2000, lahat na ng cast noon, graduate na lahat. Yung iba nga, hindi na nila matandaan na meron tayong ganong show eh. Now, this time, new cast, new rendition, but the same spirit. Okay.
Kaso nga sir, kailangan na natin tawagin ang pinaka-importanting tao na nagsimula ng mga show na katulad nito. Let us all welcome,
Yes, a very supportive,
very generous,
very loving,
Mother Perpetual Health!
mother of what? Ginawa mo namang simbahan.
Sorry po sir.
Okay.
Mother of PNW School,
To give her welcoming address, our beloved principal, Mrs. Ruben Yabo.
hello
share God's love with others. Excuse me, kids. I need to take care of this phone call. Hello, this is Sophie speaking. May I help you? Oh, hello, Pastor Smith. What's up? Christmas Eve service with me and the kids. Let me ask the kids. Hey, everybody, how you like to sing at the neighborhood church on Christmas Eve? Sounds like they're pretty excited, Pastor Smith, and so am I. Okay, see you then. Bye.
Salty, I don't know any Christmas songs.
I don't know either. Oh, don't worry about that. I have a whole bunch of Christmas songs in my pages. I haven't used them since last year, but they should work. Here, come look. They're a little dusty.
This looks like a good one. Joy to the world.
Because Jesus came from heaven and was born on earth. My mommy told me that I was born at Country General Hospital. Which hospital was Jesus born in? Oh, he wasn't born in a hospital. He was born in a stable in a little town called Bethlehem.
Why was he in the stable?
Well, everyone had come to Bethlehem to pay their taxes. The town was so crowded with people. There was no room for Mary and Joseph to stay at the inn. The stable was the only place open, and that's where Jesus was born.
Really? I know about that. The night Jesus was born, there were shepherds watching over their sheep in the field. All of a sudden, an angel appeared in the sky and told them about the manger where the baby Jesus was sleeping.